Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on how to edit your Instagram highlights directly from your PC. Whether you want to refresh an old highlight or make some tweaks, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you to your profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Now, look for the highlight you want to edit, which is located just under your bio. Click on that highlight to enter it. You'll see all the stories that are part of this highlight. In the top right corner of the highlight, you'll find 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a menu with various options. From this menu, choose Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your highlight. Once in edit mode, you can modify several aspects of your highlight. If you want to change the cover image, click on the current cover and select a new one from your saved stories. You can also rename the highlight by clicking on its name and entering a new title that better reflects its content. Additionally, if there are any stories you wish to remove from this highlight, simply uncheck them from the list displayed. Conversely, if you want to add new stories, click on Stories and select the ones you want to include. After making all your desired changes, don't forget to confirm them by clicking on the appropriate button, usually labeled as Done or Save, to ensure everything is updated properly. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Instagram highlight using your PC. Keeping your highlights fresh is a great way to engage with your audience and showcase what matters most to you. Thanks for tuning in today.